This is the Honor brand new and soon to be launched in Malaysia smartphone, the Honor 95G. The global launch of the Honor 95G is set to debut on 9 July 2023 in Paris. And here's what you need to know about this new device. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fastway episode 94. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. The Honor 95G is the company's first smartphone to equip with a 200 megapixel camera while receiving a lot of flagship perks, including a quad curved 120Hz LTPO AMOLED display, up to 16GB of memory, and a half terabyte internal storage. Even get the flagship cons, which is no storage expansion. Anyhow, 512GB is gonna store a lot of media, app, and games. The 6.7-inch display has a high 2664 by 1200 resolutions with a peak brightness of 1600 nits. It is also the industry first smartphone to feature 3840Hz ultra high frequency PWM dimming technology that protects eye health, making it the most eye health friendliest device on the market. Equipped with a triple rear camera setup, a 200 megapixel 1/1.4-inch sensor size primary camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide that support autofocus, meaning it is also function as a macro lens that is capable to shoot high resolution macro photos and video. Lastly, the third lens is a depth sensor. The center hole punch cutout is a 50 megapixel f2.4 ultra wide selfie camera. Under the hood is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1, which isn't the newest, but is quite a power-efficient 4nm process chip. Keeping the lights on is a 5000 mAh battery that supports 66W wired Honor Supercharge. The review unit I have here comes with 16GB of LPDDR5 memory and a 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. I'm not sure whether you get a more affordable configurations since the Honor 95G is marketed as a premium mid-ranger, and I hope it will not break the RM2000 ringgit mark points. My first impressions is that the Honor 95G is a solid mid-range contender for 2023. It has an excellent display, an ultra-wide camera with autofocus, given high storage options, and fast charging speed. The only drawback, it only comes with a single down-flying speaker that's so 2016. Pricings and availabilities are to be shared on my website once it goes official. In-depth reviews like performance and camera tests are to be shared very soon. That's all from me on the Honor 95G. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.